Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. We studied about a great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji yesterday. Some question answers also were we had completed of workbook as well as of exercise. Today we are going to start with new poem. We have completed first unit. We have started second unit. Okay, we have started second unit and the first poem of second unit is Time for Everything. What do you understand from the sentence or from the group of words? Time for everything means what? In the poem it is told that we have time for everything. We have time to eat, we have time to walk, we have time to sing, we have time to talk, we have time to uh, dance, we have time to cry, we have time to work, we have time to more what we can say, we have time to study, we have time to laugh, we have time to dance. Correct? For everything we have time, but at the end of the day what happens? We don't have time to rest and sleep. And then when do we sleep? We sleep at the end of the day. एकदम संध्याकाळी आपण झोपतो. Correct? And then it is told that poet in this poem is saying that you have time for everything, but just keep in mind whatever actions you are doing, that actions and time should match. समजतंय का? ॲडजस्ट करता तुम्ही सगळं काम करता, तुम्ही सगळं काही करतात सकाळपासून संध्याकाळपर्यंत, पण एवढं लक्षात ठेवा तुमचा टाईम आणि तुमची ॲक्शन ही मॅच झाली पाहिजे. मॅच झाली पाहिजे म्हणजे ना, तुम्ही खूप कष्ट केले. फॉर एक्झाम्पल यू डिड टू मच वर्क एव्हरी डे, गेटिंग अप डुईंग वर्क and in the end of some days, for example you did work for 8 days, early morning getting up, going in the farm, doing work, doing this, doing that, and after 8 days when you will check your pocket, I don't have 1 rupee also in my pocket. Then this work was of any use or what? Your action time you took, how much time you took? You took 8 days, right? How much days did you take time? You took 8 days for earning money, but when you checked your pocket, that time there was not a single penny in your pocket. Then just tell me, did your time and action meet? Did your time and action fit? Was it fitting or what? Time and action? Not at all, because there is an thinking you can say, or there is a time and action management in everybody's brain. Whoever can do time and action management properly, that only person can develop financially म्हणजे त्यांच्याकडे खूप सारा पैसा राहू शकतो. That only person can become rich. Are you understanding? That only person can become strong. If you have money, then you can buy anything. You can now just imagine, because of COVID-19, because of corona, many people are suffering. Let it be farmer, shopkeepers are suffering, businessmen are suffering, everyone is suffering because of COVID-19, right? And if just imagine if this disease would not be there, then what would happen? Everyone would have enjoyed, school would be there, everyone would have gone in the school, students in the school, teachers in the school, then professors in the colleges. Correct? Each and every work would be working smoothly, but as there is not a single penny, everyone is sitting quietly in their houses. Yes or no? This is what I want to tell you. If time for everything, we have time for everything, but just think that whatever actions you do in your daily life, that actions should fit with time. Okay, now I will first recite poem for you. Here it is. There is a time to run and a time to walk. Okay, I'll recite a poem. Here it is. There is a time to run and time to walk. There is a time for silence, a time for talk. There is a time for work and time for play. There is a time for sleep at the close of day. At the close of day means what? At the end of day. There is a time for everything you do, for children and for grown-ups too. A time to stand up and a time to sit, but see that the time and actions fit. Same thing I have explained you before, correct or not? Here it is told that there is time to run, there is time to run, there is time to walk. There is time to run, there is time to walk. Okay, there is time to be silence, there is time to be silence, there is time to talk. There is, and at last there is time for sleep at the close of day. There is time for sleep, correct? When at the close of day means at the end of the day. Okay, here it is told that there is a time for everything you do, for children and grown-ups too. Now time is for everyone. Yes or no? Children also have time for playing, for studying, for watching cartoons and all, everything. They have time for that. Grown-ups also have time. They have specific time for some work, correct or not? After that they take little rest, then again they do some work. Some time management is done by grown-ups as well as by children's. Yes or no? There is a time to stand up and time to sit. There is time to stand up and there is time to sit. Okay, but see that, again I am telling, but see that time and action fit. Whatever actions you do those actions, त्या actions तुमच्या time बरोबर fit होतात का? That you have to find out, that you have to see, and according to that only you have to live your life. You should able to do time management with your actions. तुम्ही जे काही कृती करतात, for example now you are just in 4th standard, then you should do time management. Early morning I will watch first 2 videos. Okay, 9 to 10, till 10 o'clock I get all videos, 2 videos I get. Then 10 o'clock I will watch first video, 10:30 I will watch second video. 11 to 12 I will complete both homeworks. I will complete homeworks and I will send on WhatsApp group. Okay, then sharp at 12 o'clock I will become free. Then 12 o'clock I will eat my lunch. I will have my lunch. After having my lunch I will play for 2-3 hours. Okay, for example 12 to 12:30 you ate food, then 12:30 to 3 o'clock you play, then again 3 o'clock take textbook and read for 10 minutes one lesson. Are you understanding or not? For 10 minutes you read one lesson of first subject and 10 minutes for second subject. Over. This much if you will do, then also you will remain in touch of studies, because every day we have only two subjects. Only 4th standard, 5th standard is having more subjects. 4th standard is having EVS 2. One subject is increased. Have you understood or not what I am saying? That is what time you do action, getting up, you are taking books, studying all this, that. But if you will do time management with your actions, then it will become easy for you to fit time and action. Understood? And then in the end of term, when there will be exam, this actions which you fitted with time will help you in examination. Understood or not? That time you will say, "Arey, question. Yes, I know answer of this because I already have read that lesson. After reading lesson, also I understand what answer will be of that question." This thing which you are doing in present tense will help you in future tense. Understood? In this way, here it is told that time for everything. There is time to run, there is time to walk, there is time for silence, time for talk, there is a time for work and time for play, there is time for sleep at the close of day, there is time for everything you do, for children and grown-ups too, a time to stand up and a time to sit, but see that the time and actions fit. Have you understood poem what I want to tell you? कविता समजली का तुम्हाला? Have you understood poem? Do one thing. Today's your homework is you have to write down this poem in your English notebook. Write down name of a lesson, time for everything, lesson number 9, unit 2, lesson number 9, time for everything, and write down poem and learn the poem. Are you understanding or not? In first term, I am going to give you 4 lines of any one poem. Whatever lessons we are going to study now. आफ्टर फर्स्ट युनिट टेस्ट नंतर जेवढे लेसन्स मी तुम्हाला शिकवलेले त्याच्यातून कोणती तरी एक पोएम मी देणार आहे तुम्हाला 4 लाईन्स. येस ऑर नो? लास्ट इयर यू हॅड ऑर नॉट एनी 4 लाईन्स? फ्रॉम 4 लाईन्स 2 लाईन्स आय विल गिव्ह यू, मिडल 2 लाईन्स you have to write. Understood? That I am going to do. So please learn poem and write down poem in your notebook. This is your homework for today, and question answers of this poem we will study in next week's Thursday's period. Okay, thank you.